to show you how CVM program is bound on Centauri chain. We sent with an asset or ICS 20 to Osmosis. Swaps assets in pool, define it in like local DevNet generates. No, initialize it in local DevNet and spawns back, sends all program back. In our setup we have Centauri node. Someone is in these scripts we initialize some state necessary for operation of these contracts, like upload the contracts, configuring them. On Centauri, same happens with contract and configuration with Osmosis. Additionally, we run initialize channel and run relay between Osmosis and Centauri Hermes relay. So it's running, everything is initialized, and on the right I will run script which sends the program. Program is called swap Pica to Osmo, so basically we swap Pica and Osmosis to Osmo. Essential parts of the program are unfortunately differently sorted, but assets which we take on Centauri, specifically this is asset ID number of Pica, this is amount. We have like globally unique numbers for each network because we want to abstract away either it's ABCD node or CVM, multi-location or other asset schema. And these assets, like on the wire and locally, is the same. I guess I can start from this program. It takes a time to relay it. So the body of the program is a good program. Let's say that spawn network 3 is Osmosis. It's some like isolation and identification tag and salt. I will not concentrate on this. Assets is asset ID Pica of Pica on Centauri. Intercept is absolute amount. Slope is percentage. The program which will be spawned when it will reach Osmosis will swap Pica. This is Pica ID of Osmosis. Will swap. Oh, sorry. It's pool. Yeah, will swap. Swap. Actually, sorry. Will swap Pica ID and Osmosis. And ID it's a pool ID, so we actually have some set of pool which can be configured, which has adapter and it swaps on Osmosis this amount of Pica with minimum amount of Pica or Osmo. So it's like and then it tells that spawn back on network 2, it's Centauri, with an asset, and grab all 100% of assets which we just produced as part of execution of this program. On this, like execution context, which is defined by salt. Then basically, as soon as we spawn back the program, it will transfer amount to some account of Osmo, and the amount it's also like 100%. So this is slope. Its percentage is 100%, and we use the Osmo asset on Centauri. So, and all of this is configured. So maybe we have some execution happened. Stop all execution, then we will go to logs and see how it is. So we open the logs of this DevNet. Okay. Okay. So let's look into Centauri. Maybe it's Centauri log. Maybe should have been fungibles ABC fungible token. So what's happened here? Actually, yeah, there is some encoding, but in general, we took this program. Like as I said, it's after some transformation, we transformed assets, found through configuration where it should send this, like ICS20, which it can be other things. Right now it's mema, in future it can be batching, so we like very specific way to send asset. So the program, this is the way it will send it with asset. And then this is exact route, like how it will send where for this specific channel, and then yeah, it's just sends through specific adaptation of ICS of ICS20 with memo on specific chain. It's Osmosis, like on Pica it will be different. And another side, it happens that there should be CVM. Yeah, there should be CVM receive through Osmo termination. We get some data, the packet with instruction to do the exchange, and you see this is only like part of the program. It starts from exchange and from what network it was sent, so that this can map assets properly as needed. Then it is execute something like swap. It's set up something, execute swap, blah, and then finally it executes spawn back to Osmosis and this message from memory, and the process repeats, and it's again sent through back ABC fungible token transfer. So basically we started a program execution because wasn't inside because wasn't contract on Osmosis. It was routed to on Centauri. It was routed to Osmosis, and after exchange it was routed back. It abstracted away very specific details of how actually it's executed. So it can be executed on different mediums like future ICS standards like IBC20, batching, ICS 100, batching. Also, it's not always necessary to use COSWAS, for example, for transfers. If you know that target chain is reachable through packet forwarding, we can just forward packets instead of doing COSWASM. If there is no, or like staking on Stride, no COSWASM, we still can interpret that program and like to say what the difference between this one and Cosmos outpost and cross-chain swap. Actually, it's can run on any chain, including like non-ABC chains, like and it allows to use different mechanics depending on where you are, like what protocol chains are supported. I guess that's it. Okay.